Now let's look at adding numbers in binary. We're going to be using the binary system because that's the only thing that computers can use. But first, let's look at a regular addition problem like we're used to, 19 plus 93. I didn't pick these two numbers for any particular reason, but just an easy math problem. The way you add this is you first look at the first column. 9 plus 3 is 12. So when you add 9 plus 3, you get 12. That means you write the 2 at the bottom and carry the 1. In the second column, you add 9 plus 1 plus the 1 that you carried before. That means you get 11. So the way you represent 11 is you write 1 at the bottom and you carry the 1 to the next column. And then because there's no other numbers in front of 19 or 93, you can assume they're zeros, because 019 is the same as 19 in the decimal numbering system. The 1 you carried gets added to 0 and 0, and the final solution for 19 plus 93 is 112. You add binary numbers the exact same way. Let's look at 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. But how do we get that answer in binary? Let's do this the same way we added 19 and 93. The first column is 0 and 1. When you add those two columns together, the answer is 1. The next column is 0 plus 0, or 0. The next column, also 0 plus 0, or 0. The next column is 1 plus 1, which is 2. But how do we represent 2 in binary? Remember, it's 1, 0. So you write a 0 and carry the 1, just like 9 plus 3 is 12, so you write a 2 and carry the 1. So the carried bit plus 2 zeros is a 1. And you can keep adding zeros to the front of this as long as you need. So 8 plus 9 is 17. In order to convert 10001 back to 17, remember it's 1 in the 16s column plus 1 in the 1s column, or 17. Let's look at a different set of numbers that shows both variations of carrying numbers. 12 plus 13 is 25. Let's do this column by column. 0 plus 1 is 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. Remember, 1, 0 is 2. So you write 0 at the bottom and carry the 1. Now in this next column, you've carried a 1, but you also have a 1 and a 1 there to add up. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 3 is represented as 1, 1. So you write a 1 at the bottom and carry your 1 to the next column. And because you have no more numbers to add, that 1 gets added to 2 zeros. And the final number you end up with is 11001. We know this equals to 25 because 16 plus 8 plus 1 is 25.